Hi there. I wanted to share with you that I received my package and I can't wait to see it. The reveal. Ah, beautiful. Yay. Thank you so much. I love my Brittany people. Enjoy. Lisa. Wow. Look. There's my Lexi and my Piper. I love it. And they have their three wags bandanas on. Thank you. I love it so much. Thank you.